Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. So we'll be putting more content regarding the bike related stuff. So once again, a very good afternoon to everyone. So today I'll be doing a small review about a product which I recently purchased. That's actually from a brand name Trek and Ride. So as you can see, it's right in front of you. This is the saddle bag which you put it on the frame of the Himalayan. So we have multiple bags for other bikes as well. So this is specifically designed for Himalayan. So this is from Trek and Ride, and this costed me somewhere close to 1,100 change. So both included, it's almost comes to 2,200, which is really value for money comparative to other brands which is on the market. So this is actually a 3 liters Empocher pack, and it also comes with the rain liner where you can easily remove it. Also you can put it back on this. So I have been using it from almost 2-3 months. So till now I didn't face any leakage inside the pouch. So it's very easy to install as well. All you need to do is, as you can see here, there are some couple of straps. They are given some 5 to 7 straps where you can tightly fit on the frame of the Himalayan. And also, one thing I noticed in this is you get the hard back on the back of this Empocher, and also on the bottom they are given a hard surface. So in case of any fall or something, it doesn't damage the bag. So this is what the bag is all about. I'll leave the description about the bag in the link where you can purchase it. And if you like the video, please do subscribe. Also, if you want some more product related videos, please do comment in the section. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.